Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get project link in GitHub. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Google Chrome, but it's the same process on any computer and browser. What you need to do is just come on Google and type GitHub. Then you will see the first option, GitHub official website, github.com. Click on top, and it will come to this page right here. What you need to do is just find at the top right corner, search GitHub, and here you'll search for the project that you want to get link. So for example, I will put username or test. So test just for example, and here you will see related things with this search. Here simply click on anyone whom you want to get link. Once you click on that, here simply navigate to code and click on that. Here under section, you will find the project link. You can simply click on this to copy link. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get project link in GitHub. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.